Hello. So today we're going to go over a couple more Desmo questions. So let's go ahead and get started. We see here the first problem says which equation is the intercept form for the graph shown. So we have a graph here, and then here are our four possible answers over here. So how we can use Desmos to help us solve this is we're going to plug in each of these functions here into Desmos and visually look at key points of each of these that would match here. Because at this graph here, we are shown that it crosses the x at the -4, 0 and the 3, 0. And it looks like it crosses the y at maybe like 2.5. So those are some key points we're going to look at when we type this into Desmos to see if we can figure out which one is the correct one. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's pull up. I typed all these in. Pause the video and get these typed in yourself so you can look at these too. So here's the first one. I went ahead and circled out all of them, and we're just going to go through one at a time. So again, we said some key points was the x-intercepts, which was -4 and then +3. So let's see if this crosses at -4 and +3, and they do. So one last point we need to check is where it crosses at the y, and it looks like this one crosses at the y at 4. But when we go back to here, this one doesn't cross at the 4 at the y-intercept. So this first one cannot be the real answer, the correct answer, because it looks like here on our graph it crosses more at like 2.5. So it's close. It had the same x's, but not the same y. Let's look at the next one. Again, when we're looking, let's check the x's first. The x's are -4 and +3. When we go back here, we have -3, and this needed to be -4 and +4. So those are backwards. We needed this side to be -4 and this side to be +3. So it can't be this one. Let's look at this next one, our third one. Again, we're going to look at x's. On the left side, it's -4. Right side, it's +3. Left side's -4, so that's right. Right side's +3, so it crosses at the x at the right spot. And it looks like it crosses at the y around 2.5. And if we see here, this one crosses at the y around 2.5. So that third one is the correct answer. So that's how we can visually see which one's the correct answer by just seeing where it crosses at the x and y intercepts. Let's go to the next problem. It says rewrite y equals 1/4x squared plus 2x minus 3 in vertex form. So we're going to type all those in, pause the video so you can get them all typed in. And let's go ahead and circle out all of them and go through them one at a time. So actually, if we click the first one, you see that it overlaps right away. It turns from blue to green. That's going to be our correct answer. But let's look at the wrong ones. You see the wrong ones don't overlap, right? They're all different. Vertex form is always going to be what's making it the same as the original. So that first one is the correct answer. And let's do one last one. Okay, we have a graph one. So it says use Desmos to find the equation of the curve for the best fit for the data shown here. So let's go ahead and we're going to walk through how to solve this. So first we need to plug in our table. We go to the plus sign, click table, and we're going to type in our x values first. So make sure you pause and do this yourself. So -1, -3, -5, -7, -9, -11. And our y's were 4, 8, 10, 10, 8, 4. So you see we have the dots there. So let's see what the question's asking us. So I plugged in our table, which you see here, with our x and y's. Use Desmos to find the equation of the curve of the best fit of the data shown. So when we go here, there's actually a tip that I can show you to find the equation to the graph. You see this line and 4 dots? You're going to click that and it pulls up the equation. But this equation isn't correct because this is a linear equation and our line is not matching our dots. This is not a linear equation. This is a quadratic equation because now you see how our line goes through our dots. So we're just going to change that from linear to quadratic, and now our equation makes sense with our possible answers. It's telling us the answer is -0.25x minus 3x plus 1.5. And we have that answer right here. So that's the correct answer. So that's how you can find an equation from using a table, using Desmos. So let me know if you have any questions. Again, don't forget to type in your name, screenshot your work and the graph, and upload that as the answer as you work through these next problems.